Or it looks like it may be blown out. Oh no, it's stiff. Alrighty guys, so if any of you have been around our channel for the last few years, maybe, kind of when we start getting into YouTube kind of more consistently, this was the pit bike that we did a bunch of videos on, like basically revamping the whole thing, putting like different aftermarket add-ons on it. We had it for quite a number of maybe years.
3 years?
Yeah.
4 years?
And we ended up selling this thing a while back. And lo and behold, this guy buys it back for way less than what we sold it for.
Yeah.
Correct? Like I think we sold it for like, what, 500?
Yeah, and I got it for 150 bucks.
And you got it for 150 bucks back. So it's the OG 2013 SSR 110 with the tall bars, the OG grips, you know, the green FMF
graphics kit.
CRF kit.
Yep. But I did rob the FMF pipe off it, which is on now.
Correct.
My Apollo 125.
And we threw that crappy like Apollo carb on it too, right?
And then maybe cable we put on it.
Yep. And never changed that rear tire, guys. This is still bald from when we owned it, and just insane. So we haven't started it since. Have you started it all this spring?
No.
Not since fall, right?
Yeah.
So it sat all winter, all of spring. Now it's June.
And it stayed at a bad hotel. As you can see, it got left out in the sun. This used to be that green, and same
Look at
thing with the shifter. They used to be like this green on the Nibby cable.
Oh.
I mean, just terrible.
Just ate the anodizing right off of it.
Yep.
What kind of filter you got on there? That's not a. That's like a Chinese uni.
That's a Nibby.
Oh, a Nibby filter?
No, I'm kidding. I don't know. Maybe.
We'll see, guys, if it fires up. No shot.
That's not even staged.
Not even staged, guys. That was one kick. Seriously, one kick. It sat for probably almost 6 months.
I adjusted the valves prior.
Timing chain's got a little bit of noise from what I can hear.
Burn a little oil too.
Yeah, and it's puffing out of the breather, guys. I don't know if you can see in the video, but right there.
Probably should check the oil, but
Nah, you don't need oil. Oh, you can smell burning oil, 100%. But it needed a rebuild like when we sold it a year ago or a year and a half ago. Still rips good. Oil. Actually selling some sleds today too, guys, so snowmobiles are out.
fire's got a little movement to him.
Oh, we gotta tighten them up quick. Caleb was saying there's liquid oil vapor coming out of the old breather.
Bring my hand.
Oh, just blow by like crazy, guys. So a slight bit of blow by?
Needs a rebuild.
Oh yeah. But I told these guys
runs good.
I told the guys it needed a rebuild when we sold it.
yeah, probably he's getting a little tired. But yeah. Heck yeah, guys.
Do a little bit more riding with it yet before it runs out of oil, and the front tire's bald too. Oh.
Oh yeah. Again,
Brother,
bald when we sold it.
Yeah.
No. Oh, they just got the spring rounded up on this guy.
Oh jeez. That has the stiffer shock in it, correct? Or it looks like it may be blown out. Oh no, it's stiff. Will it fire?
Look at that other breather.
Whew, she got some blow by.
And it lubes the chain though.
Right, that vapor gets on the chain. Chain sounds a little dry. With that riveted on Apollo carb.
I think she needs some oil.
And rings.
And rings.
Hey.
$50 kit going in her.
Hey, but we'll do a top end rebuild on this, guys. It's been a while since we did a top end rebuild on one of these, and we have a lot of questions still currently on those old videos.
Yeah.
So it'll be a great opportunity to do a nice job and do an in-depth, thorough tutorial. So be on the lookout for that top end rebuild on this. Just wanted to showcase, I mean, the quality of an SSR. It can take the abuse, guys, I'm telling you.
We've now owned it for probably 5 years total, because I bought it last year back. And I haven't really done anything to it since.
Nope. And honestly, we didn't rebuild it or nothing. We never did nothing to put gas and oil in it. And some aftermarket little goodies, but that wasn't anything.
I didn't need it, you know what I mean?
Yeah. So, like I said, it's a 2013, so it's over 10 years old already.
Yeah, she's old.
And yeah, it's all there, you know. These plastics are just held on by zip ties. And it just goes to show, if anyone's trying to doubt SSR quality, yes, it's Chinese, but it's been through a couple owners, and it's still going.
Yep.
Still burning oil and puffing out of the breather, but hey, it still wheelies like crazy and rips, and
heck yeah.
so we'll get her fixed up and do a little build on it. I don't think we showcased this bike yet on the channel. You guys maybe have saw it in the background of some videos. This is actually Mark's bike that he purchased 2-3 months ago. I think that was like maybe March, right on your birthday.
Right at the
end of March, I think. It's a 2000 KX 252 stroke ripper, absolute animal. We really wanted a 250YZ, but this was kind of handed to us. I mean, like, for the price we got it for, we couldn't say no. And have we done anything to it? Not really. Besides yeah,
spark plug, and a shifter and some rear bearings.
Yeah,
just a couple little odds and ends. Nothing major.
But the guy, what did he say? He said it. He took the motor out and rebuilt the monoshock, and then he put it back in, and he said it didn't run right or something.
Yeah, he said it was like sputtery.
And Mark gets on it like first ride, and he rips it. He's like,
I think the guy was out of gas, honestly.
Yeah, that could be.
That and the plug was never changed since it left the factory, I think. It was disgusting.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Tires are nice on it. It's got chain and sprocket. They're Chinesium. But seat cover we did turned out well. This is actually the cheap seat cover, guys. This is not the expensive ones. What was it, like a $25 seat cover? Yeah. But honestly, if you look at it, it's quite square. We're not obviously professionals. We've done a few, so I thought it turned out good. It's got the Chinesium grips, or are they Pro Tapers? Pro Tapers. We actually upgraded. And then Mark, like I said, put his own numbers on it. I think it looks absolutely wicked. The thing's got a nasty amount of vibration on these things, though, guys. Pro circuit exhaust, full exhaust. Pretty sure everything else is stock. Shorty brake lever. And the loosest, nice, easy turning stem I've ever felt in my life. We're going to maybe take it out to some cross-country, was it GNCC style races, or whatever you call it?
It's
enduro.
It's off-road enduro.
Yeah.
Long races, you know.
2-hour races, I believe.
Yeah.
We might take it out there once or twice to see what this thing can do and if Mark's body can hold up.
Yeah. And there's a sand track that we might be able to take it to as well. So.
And you know how much.
Use it for that. Take it out when you guys go riding.
And you know how much two-strokes love sand. Getting eaten.
Yeah, they just inhale it.
You just gotta check your filter after every ride.
Yep. We'll have Mark probably gonna hop on it. He'll start it up. He's in tennis shoes, but.
And what did it have for compression spark? Like 180?
Yeah, 185.
Like after 3 kicks, 2 or 4 kicks.
So she's healthy.
Oh yeah.
Guy apparently didn't he run it, race it or something?
It's a bugger to get the gauge in there too on these 2 strokes.
That's a good time. But it's so pingy, you guys. Like, it's just stinking. We actually did top. They're missing some motor mounts, so we fixed that. That was much.
That should help.
Yeah. She is wagging. shaking when it's literally like it's in gear. Yeah. Dude just loves his 252 strokes. He's big enough to handle it. The torque is just stupid. Want to grab a stand?